you can get out. Alright. Oh, Mario, this is very scary. Go! Ah! Ha! Wow! Can't believe he broke every bone in his body. I just don't know why I should have told him to jump out that window. That's so stupid of me. Hey, I know who could jump out the window. I know he loves jumping. Hey, Frog Mario. What is it now, Cat Mario? I was wondering if you could jump out the window since you love jumping. Wait, a window? Oh my god, I gotta jump out the window. I gotta jump out the window. Yeah, you're right, go. Yay! Yeah! I can't wait to jump out the window! Woo! Woo! Ah! I'm a monster.